Does this look painfully familiar? Your robot leaves the dock, ready to conquer crumbs, and nothing. It just shuts off before the mission even begins. That dreaded auto-off the second it moves from the dock? That mysterious, persistent base leaking? Don't ignore these red flags. Often, the hidden culprit is a faulty battery, nearing the end of its life, unable to hold a proper charge, and potentially causing system malfunctions like leaks. Ignoring this isn't just annoying, it's risky. The faulty battery stresses the system, risking short circuits that could fry your robot's expensive brain. We're talking serious safety hazards, costly robot vacuum repair bills that make your eyes water more than the leak, and potentially voiding your warranty altogether. You might end up needing a whole new vacuum. Honestly, your cleaning robot should be fighting dirt, not staging its own little waterlogged protest. Don't wait for disaster. Bring it to RoboCare. Our expert technicians specialize in diagnosing and fixing these specific battery and leaking issues quickly and reliably. Prevent the worst-case scenario. Our process is thorough. We use specific diagnostic tools to accurately test the battery's performance and capacity. It's not guesswork. We confirm if the battery is indeed the culprit, causing the power down and potentially contributing to the leak. Then, we professionally replace the old, spoiled battery with a genuine component, ensuring proper connection and function. We also inspect the base unit components that could be affected. We'll show you the fantastic results of a professional Xiaomi X10 Plus repair right here at RoboCare. And here's the result. After RoboCare's expert battery replacement and leak fix, this Xiaomi X10 Plus is back to peak performance, undocking perfectly, cleaning powerfully, and zero leaks. Don't put up with robot frustration. Whether it's a Xiaomi, Roborock, Ecovacs, or any other brand, contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center or ask about our easy courier options.